You guys, welcome back. Someone is certainly hungry. Today I'm making a childhood favorite, crispy egg rolls 2 ways, one with a classic pork filling and the other with a potato curry. It's so satisfying to eat. Perfect for parties. Let's get started. First, let's make the pork filling. We'll need to soften up some glass noodles with hot water. Snip them into manageable pieces. Some carrots, yellow onion, and cabbage. Slice them as thinly as possible. Egg rolls symbolize coming together for me. It doesn't matter what holiday, a birthday, a funeral, a graduation, a small get-together, there's always egg rolls at the table. What is that food for you? Mix all the ingredients together. Combine well. And place it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Overnight is the best. Let's make the potato curry filling. If you've ever had a samosa, this is a take on that. It's vegetarian and so flavorful and addicting. In goes oil, onions, garlic. Sauté until the onions are translucent. In goes the boiled potatoes. Sugar, unsalted curry powder, soy sauce, white pepper powder, salt, vinegar, and cilantro stems. Allow it to cool down. These are 2 glues that seal the egg rolls. If you're vegan, this cornstarch glue works, and also the egg glue, which is the common one. These are egg roll wrappers that you can find in the refrigerated section of your local Asian grocery store. Use whatever brand you like. Let's wrap some egg rolls. Take a sheet of wrapper, place it in the diamond position. Add about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 of the filling. Shape it into a log. Take the bottom corner and fold it over the filling. Tuck and roll tightly. Fold each side corner to the middle like this. Tuck and roll tightly. Add your choice of glue. I'm using cornstarch glue here. Egg is fine too. Roll and seal well. And repeat. Let's wrap a pork filling one. One last time. Let's fry the pork egg rolls. Use a bamboo skewer or something wooden and test the oil. If it bubbles like this, it's ready for the egg rolls. Stir occasionally so that they can cook evenly. Once they deepen into this golden color, they're done. Rest them on a rack to drain any oil and allow the shell to dry a bit. Let's fry the potato curry egg rolls separately. They don't take as long to cook, and you have to keep an eye on them because they can make the oil pop if left in too long. On medium heat, do the bamboo skewer method to check the oil. Add them in. If they fry too long, the potato fillings will ooze out and make the oil pop. Fry until they turn a light golden color. Drain and allow them to dry a bit. Here you have it. 2 kinds of crispy, delicious egg rolls. Let's give it a try. So crispy and savory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and share with your friends. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.